vein. What's this blood vessel here? The aorta. What's this structure? Ureter. Now, what's this membrane here that the kidneys are behind? That's the peritoneum. Remember, kidneys are retroperitoneal. What's this thing?
Vertebra.
Yeah, that's a vertebral body, isn't it? Just to orient you a little bit. All right. What's this thing?
Ureter.
Ureter. What's this?
Renal.
Renal artery.
Renal artery. What is this artery?
Cortical radiate.
Nope. That's the arcuate artery. Okay. Let's see if there's another. No, it doesn't have another.
I think you do.
All right. What's this general area here?
Yeah, I have it highlighted.
It's the renal medulla. You always say renal medulla. There are other medullas around. You don't want to get your medullas mixed up. What part of the renal medulla is this? Huh? The pyramid, yeah. The pyramid comes to this point down here. It's like a little shower head. What's that called? That's the renal papilla. Or one papilla, many papillae. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there. It's like a little nipple where all of the those collecting ducts are coming kind of to a point. And so it drips urine into this little area. What's that called? Yeah, it's just call it a calyx. Because they're minor up here, and then here's a major, and all the calyces lead into this area here. What is this?
Renal pelvis.
This is the renal pelvis, and that empties into the ureter. Okay. What's this part of the medulla?
The column. Renal column.
The renal column, right? What's this area outside here?
The cortex.
Renal cortex. And what's this?
Fibrous.
Fibrous capsule. We're learning so well. So, what's this bed of capillaries called? The glomerulus. What's this blood vessel? Afferent arteriole. What's that blood vessel? That's right. Okay. What's this structure? Bowman's capsule or glomerular capsule. Okay. What's this? Proximal convoluted tubule. On this exam, you're going to write that out. Proximal convoluted tubule. No PCT. Or no points for you. 1 year. I'm the point Nazi. Remember in Seinfeld, the soup Nazi? No soup for you. 1 year. I think he was from Romania. I'm not sure. Okay. And then, what's this whole structure called?
Loop of Henle.
Loop of Henle. Which one is this? The thin segment or the descending loop. And here's the thick segment or what? Ascending loop. And then that goes up here and it comes. It doesn't show it. It doesn't show it right, but it comes up here and then it turns into, what's this?
This
This is the distal convoluted tubule, really. They didn't draw that very well. And then, what's this? Yeah, when it's down in here, it's called the medullary collecting duct. When it's up in here, it's called the cortical collecting duct. But this is collecting duct. And see all these branches? This is where different nephrons feed into this one collecting duct. This is where the distal convoluted tubule of other nephrons, they're all pressed together in here. This is where they contribute, they're tributaries to this collecting duct. Right. What's that blood vessel?
where?
That's the arcuate artery. You know, below the arcuate artery and vein, below them, deep to them, is the medulla. Superficial to them is the cortex. They're kind of the demarcation line. Going this way. No, it's going this way. So, what is the structure here? This is actually the very end of the ascending loop of Henle. That's what this is. And then it becomes the distal convoluted tubule after this, right?
Mm-hmm.
This has some special cells. What are these cells? What?
Macula densa cells.
These are macula densa cells. And these cells around the afferent arteriole are called what? Granular cells, or sometimes called granulosa cells. Together they make up what structure?
The juxtaglomerular apparatus.
The juxtaglomerular apparatus, yes. Right? Okay. And then these are little windows into the glomerular capillaries, aren't they, Dorothy? Yes, they are. What are these things?
Podocyte. Oh, red blood cells.
Red blood cells, aren't they?
Yes.
What are these cells?
Luminal glomerular capillary.
What are these cells? The little red ones that I'm on right now. When people are unsure, their volume goes way, way down, doesn't it?
Which ones? Endothelial cells?
What?
Endothelial cells?
Good answer, Nellie. Give her a cigar.
I don't
Okay. I know you hate cigars, but good answer. Those are the glomerular endothelial cells, aren't they?
Yes.
Yes, they are, because this is the wall of the glomerulus. Okay? What are these cells that kind of wrap around those capillaries? Podocytes, or podocytes. Yeah, podocytes. Poda from the Greek or Latin, it means foot.
Mm-hmm.
Because they have all these little feet or extensions coming out of them. They have pedicels. The pedicels of the podocytes. That's the tongue twister. Is that phone from that movie? The vessel with the pestle has the potion that is poison. The flagon with the dragon has the brew that is true. What? I've got the memory. For nonsense. That's from an old movie that was made before I was born.
Mr. Ware?
Yes.
The one before the podocytes you said were glomerular capillary endothelium? Is that
Uh-huh.
one? Okay, thank you.
And what's in between the endothelium and the podocytes? The basement membrane. It's a big one. Okay. What is what is the glomerular capsule, or the what is the glomerular capsule and the glomerulus known as together? Together they're called the
Renal corpuscle.
the who?
Renal corpuscle.
The renal corpuscle, yes. What's this?
Where? What I get there?
Proximal tubule cells.
Proximal convoluted tubule. You're remembering. So, this is the glomerular endothelium without bothering to show the cells. What are these little things? Fenestrations. They're little pores in the cells themselves. They're invaginations of the cell membrane that form a little pore through the cell. What process do they enable? Filtration. What's that cell? Podocyte, yeah. What are the podocytes there for? To help.
Isn't it with if it's to help like control how much it expands?
Kind of. They're there to kind of hold the capillaries together. They're reinforcements. Why do you need those reinforcing cells here? Huh?
Pressure.
Yeah, the pressure inside here is like twice what it is in most capillaries. So you need the reinforcing cells. Okay? What else we got here?
Mama.
Please stop.
It's pretty interesting about bladder control, what it comes from. Kind of cool. I'm not testing you on it, but got to draw the line somewhere. There's the uretic bud in the embryo. You don't have to know that. But did you know that even primitive organisms like well, I've lost it. Like jellyfish and selenerates. The selenerates, did you know they have specialized cells that are called flame cells? And they act like kidneys. They pull them out of the animal and secrete them into the ocean. In other words, they pee into their own pool. When will it ever stop? Well, when we destroy the earth, that's when it's going to stop. And we will be responsible. Okay.